Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the 10 coin locations for the Steve's Lost Keys quest. So I'm just going to use my diving gear and I'm just going to go down here. Once you have the key, you will need to talk to Steve again. So I'm just going to do that. Talk to Scuba Steve, and then is there anything? Okay, I have found your boat keys. There we go. And then, is there anything else I can help you with? What's wrong? Okay, there we go. And then it says, find the missing stacks of coins. You're at 10, return the coins to Scuba Steve. So you'll need to find 10. So the first one, go like inside here, and then you'll see some coin stacks next to the statue, so you're just going to pick that up. Okay, then as you can see that there's another coin stack here, like on the kind of like roof. So here's the second location. Then there's another one on these pillars. So that's 3. I think there's one here in this like dome area. There we go. That's 4. Then there's one over here next to the coral reefs. Whoops. It's very hard to swim here. Okay, I'm just gonna pick it up. It's like near here next to these pillars. There's also one in the red coral reefs here. If you go from this like temple over here, not this one, and you turn to the left, you will be able to find a coin stack here behind the lights. You'll then find another coin on this like pillar over here. If you aren't clear, this is where it is. I'm just going to pick that up. From this temple, you are going to like dive to the left area here. You'll see this bright blue coral, and there's one here as well. For the last one, we are going to go to this area, and we are going to swim like kind of behind it, and you will find the last coin there. Once you're done with everything, you are going to go back to Scuba Steve, and you're going to tell him that you've collected all of his coins. So go to Scuba Steve, and then I think I found, whoops, all the coins you were missing. And then you are going to claim presents. Okay. Well, I think I already gotten it. It's like only 25,000 coins that you can get for your money. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!